In this video, we're going to go over installing new themes into your WordPress site. So I'm currently using the default 2020 theme that comes with your WordPress installation, and I want to change it. So there's two ways to change your theme. You can either head up here to my site and click themes, or if you're already in your dashboard, we can head to the appearance link and get to your themes from there. Here you can get a view of all the themes you currently have installed that came with your WordPress site and a few that I've already added on my own. If you ever want to delete a theme or you've accumulated too many, you can always come up here, hit theme details, and in the bottom right corner you can delete them. Now let's say I want to add a new one. We'll head up here, click add new. And this brings us to the WordPress theme directory where there's tons and tons of themes to choose from. Basically, if you can think of it, there's probably a version of it, and it's actually pretty fun to go around playing with new themes and just getting an idea of what your website will look like. There's a few filters up here, popular, latest, and favorites. And there's also this pretty cool feature filter here that has some options to apply filters for absolute needs that you might have for your themes. So let's get out of that. And another way to upload a theme is if you have already purchased a theme or you have one saved somewhere on your hard drive, you can always upload it. All you got to do is find the zip file and upload it from here. So let's take a look around here at some of these themes. As you can see, I already have this one installed. This is the 2020 theme. We're currently in the feature tab. Let's go with this one, Willer. So I'm going to go ahead and install it from here, and once it's done, you will be prompted to activate it. I'll go ahead and activate it. Now that it's active, we can go ahead and take a look at it. And that's it. We have a new theme installed.